Good morning. Today I am giving teachings about how to make others happy. We need to make others happy, such as our friends, relatives, those who are surrounding us. Gradually, all living beings, without exception. Why? Because their happiness is more important than our own happiness. As we know that we ourselves are only just one single person. And the others are countless, countless. Therefore, of course, the happiness of countless living beings is more important than happiness of one single person, Please do not forget this message. Keep in your mind and put practice. Please memorize. Memorize. No. I said again. No. We need to make others happy, such as our friends, relatives, those who are surrounding us, gradually all living beings, because their happiness is more important than our own happiness. We ourselves are just one single person, and others are countless. So there's no doubt the happiness of countless living beings is more important than happiness of one single person. Even just keeping this situation, the advice comes from Buddha's teaching, and especially Shantidevas, Bodhisattva Shantidevas teaching. So I telling you as a message. So if you make every day, if you make happy your friends, your relatives, your families, what will happen? You will find happy life. Always be harmony, no basis experiencing disharmony, arguing, fighting, because we are making happy them. Immediately you will receive good results through putting these words into practice. Very simple, but very practical, important in our day-by-day life. Always thinking others' happiness more important than my own happiness. Others important. Their happiness important. Their freedom important. Always think this. Believe this. And then if we believe, if we keep this view, and then we never interfere in others' happiness. We never cause others to experience problems. Because we believe we want to make others happy, naturally we will perform actions that cause others be happy. So that makes your family, those who are surrounding you everywhere peaceful, harmony, and experiencing happy life. So we must be concerning for others' happiness. We must learn to cherishing others, cherishing others. If we learn cherishing others, we naturally perform actions that cause others to be happy. That makes our life happy and meaningful. This action of loving kindness leads us to the supreme happiness of enlightenment.